What's up guys, it's the Brick Public back here again with another video. Today, I'm doing another how to upgrade your LEGO clone commanders. These two commanders are pretty well known if you ever watched the Clone Wars or know anything about it. And, well, most of them are. One of them is. But yeah, these are the two base figures that I'm going to be using. You'll figure out who these clone commanders are at the end. But, we'll start off with this one, and let's get right into it. So these are the pieces you're gonna need for this figure. If you've seen this if you've seen these parts, you're probably gonna know who it is. So take off the helmet and take off the legs from the figure. Just keep the torso and the head. Take these normal Clone Trooper legs. Jonak Toys Commander Doom cloth. I just said the name of the figure we're making, Commander Doom. Add that right there. Actually no, scratch that, don't do that. You want to get this brown hip, and replace it with the black hip. So, just take off the legs, which is pretty simple. Take off the black hip. Now add on the brown hip and add it here and here, and then smush them together, and there you go. Now you add the Jonak Toys Commander Doom cloth, just like that. Add the torso back on. Add the helmet right here, decaled Jonak Toys Commander Doom helmet, and a Clone Army Customs visor. And there you go. There's Commander Doom, pretty much done. I had another idea for Commander Doom, which was, you can see on the Commander Doom legs, there is this green right here. I wanted to use Commander Gree's leg, like these legs, but they're black instead of white, so I just went with this. But yeah, it's still pretty good. So now let's start the next figure. So these are the pieces you're gonna need for the last figure. So take this whole figure off, just keep the legs. The legs are all you need. Jonak Toys Commander Bly waist cape. Add it on just like that. Jonak Toys Commander Bly pauldron. A lot of Jonak Toys. I would not recommend buying from him at this point in time, so I will probably, if you have questions on where to buy it, just leave them in the where to buy some alternative stuff. Comment, and I will help you out with that. Stormtrooper Mortar Trooper, that name. Then add some yellow arms. Add the top pauldron right there like that. And then to finish off the figure, Clone Army Customs helmet and micro binoculars, I think they're called. Just add that on, and there you go. There is Commander Bly. Looks pretty nice. The actual Commander Bly has yellow, right? Like same thing with Doom here, except it's yellow. That's impossible to do with the LEGO pieces that I have. I think LEGO pieces in general, that's impossible to do, but still looks pretty nice. So let's get with the outro. And there are the two figures finished. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe. We are really close to 750 subscribers, so if you could subscribe and get me there, that would be incredible. And comment down below if you have any suggestions on what Clone Trooper I should do next, because it really helps me to get more ideas and expand my thought on all the clones. It helps me design more with suggestions. I don't know what I was saying there. Yep, that's the end of the video. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!